Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. How to replace a skin scrub, 3 natural ways to cleanse pores. As soon as the temperature on the thermometer begins to drop, special attention should be paid not only to clothes and shoes, but also to skin care. Cold seasons are a real challenge for her, so proper care will be the key to her health and beauty. Every girl knows that any cosmetics, be it or not, appears in the pores and the appearance of appearances and blackheads appears. To avoid such troubles, it is worth regularly cleaning it with special means, micelles, oils, with crabs and other products. Just a scrub. You can purchase ready-made products in the store, or you can prepare it yourself with the available products. What are the ways to clean pores? 1. You must first steam the skin of the face. This can be done with a warm towel. Wipe it with soft circular motions with your skin, or a hot shower. Stand near warm water. Then take the oatmeal flakes and fill them with hot water, wait until they swell, and then spread them over your face with light movements. Leave it on your face for about 5 minutes and then wash off. 2. A vinegar lemon mask is also suitable for cleaning pores. Take the protein from 2 eggs, add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this mixture gently to your face and leave it on for 5–10 minutes. After the procedure, wash yourself with warm water. By the way, this mask dries the skin a lot, so don't get carried away. 3. Another simple scrub for cleaning pores is a salt scrub. Add edible salt to the cosmetic milk and spread this mixture on your face. Let it sit for literally 1–2 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Note that if you have a rash on your face, it is best not to use this remedy as it will injure your skin. In conclusion, it follows that in the cold season, you should not use face scrubs. Aggressive and regular exfoliation will greatly dehydrate the skin. It is better to do this no more than 2–3 times a month. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.